Look at this. Holy moly. That is dirt, not rain. Alright, just watch it. Watch it engulf the sky. Welcome to Lubbock, Texas. Holy... Wow. I cannot... It's crazy. That's all dirt. That is all dirt. Like, where's the sun? The sun's not behind me. I don't know. Oh, yeah. It's ridiculous. Holy moly. What in the world? I can't even turn on my lights. I have to turn on my lights and it's 40. It is dirt. It's dirt. Where did the sun go? Holy moly. Oh gosh. I can't even see. I can't even see. I want to get home. I'm scared. I hope I get home. Okay? Bye.